Work was long. I got the rest of the hot tub painted. I got the rest of the tape taken off for the tile that's around it. So I just need to go in with a little bit of alcohol maybe, or I have some acetone that I might try. Does acetone work on tile? Maybe by the time this is up, I'll have a comment that says, you can't use acetone on tile. It'll ruin it. So we'll see. If you guys know anything about acetone and tile, let me know. Well, small update on the Christmas tree. I replaced a bunch of bulbs and they were on for about 10 minutes and then all went out. So I just pulled all the wires out of the tree and we're just gonna wrap it next year. But I got a 7.5 foot tree for free. Now I'm gonna be working on this phone. This is a phone that I got from somebody I know. They dropped it in, or they didn't drop it in water. They got, they went through a wash cycle in the washer, and there's pictures on here that they want. So I'm going to hopefully get this working, and we'll see how long that takes. So we can see immediately that there's water damage, especially on the cameras there. So we're going to try and dry this thing out, see if we can get it working. You might be able to see here on that battery connection there's a little bit of an issue. We're going to see if we can get that cleaned up with some alcohol and then dry out the rest of the board. Right now the battery's not plugged in, so there's no risk of breaking anything else. There's all the screws, there's the main board, there's some internal plastics, charging port, and then the phone with the battery. So I have it all taken apart. I cleaned it out. It's no longer wet except for possibly the battery, but the contacts are cleaned up on that battery pretty good, so we should have a good shot about getting this back put together and working. Well, the ultimate result is the phone, I believe, is fine. The battery is no good. This is the, well, that was wherever it went. There it is. The connector for the battery is supposed to be soldered onto there, and it's no longer soldered onto there. So I think that's what's wrong with it. That's why it's not powering on. So I have all this stuff out. I'm going to put all this stuff away. It's like 1:30 in the morning, maybe 2. I'm going to get this video edited, get it out to you guys, and we'll start again tomorrow. Thanks for liking the videos. Thanks for commenting down below. Thanks for subscribing. We'll talk to you guys tomorrow.